Hi everybody, it's Bongo here from the Poultry People, and a quick heads up about what's going on at this moment in time that I'm in. I'm getting really stoked about Maker Central. There's a lot of buzz going on the internet. I'm really looking forward to seeing what's going on and all the rest of it. It's going to be great. I can't wait to meet all these people. So anyway, Mr. Zametti, kind Nick, has sent me another 2 tickets over to Maker Central. So I'm going to do 1 ticket on Facebook, 1 ticket on YouTube. Like, share, say, I'd love to go to Maker Central. If you can't make it, then just say, and I'll pick some, I'll get the random name picker out of a hat, get some tickets out to you. I'll need your email address. I'll do the draw on Thursday. But you know the format. Like, share, saying I'd love to go, I'd love to win a ticket to Maker Central or something along those lines. I'll get the draw on the go, pick the name out of the hat, you'll get informed Thursday or Friday morning. It's all getting a bit hectic now because it's last minute, but people make last minute decisions. So if you want a chance of getting a ticket and seeing me, loads of other cool people, I'm going to take a few bits and bobs down with me as well, then rock on. And to end the video off, here's the routing of the Maker Central Viking chair, which will be there as well. There's the table and a few other choice bits. Excellent stuff. Take care, crack on!